Reflection of light. See, let us take some plain mirror. I have taken a mirror and this point is labeled as O. Suppose here the ray comes at a point O. So the ray which strikes the mirror, which fall on the object, is known as incident ray. And the ray of the light which get bounced back or reflected from the surface, it means reflection occur, that is known as reflected ray. And the angle between the incident ray and the normal, this is a normal line, is known as angle of incidence, and the angle between the reflected ray and the normal is known as angle of reflection. Is it clear that what is incident ray, reflected ray, angle of incidence and angle of reflection? Next are laws of reflection. Now what are the laws of reflection? There are the two laws of reflection, law 1 and law 2. What is the law 1? Law 1 states that, first law states that angle I is equals to angle R. What does it means? It means that angle of incidence must be equal to angle of reflection. What does second law states? Second law states that the incident ray, reflected ray, normal at a point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Here you can see in the figure that the incident ray, reflected ray, normal ray, all these three rays are at the same point of incidence and in the same plane. This is the second law, that all the three rays lie in the same plane. Next activity is there in which we have to verify the first law of reflection, that is angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. This we have to verify, that suppose if the incident ray strikes at a mirror of 30 degree, then the reflected ray must be at the 30 degree. This we will prove. Is it clear?